Hi, Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet here, the singing sage lady with another top bookkeeping tip. I'm out here walking my dog in the beautiful Southsea Forest in Northamptonshire, so I do apologise for the rather loud bird noise that will probably appear in this video. So I have been asked again today by somebody starting a new business, just getting going, what account package that I recommend. And I have to say that I will never recommend an account package to anybody without first having a little chat with you about what your business is and what your business involves. You will get people just saying to you straight off the bat, Sage is best, Xero is best, QuickBooks is best. And that will be either because they're an accountant and a bookkeeper that use it for their clients and it's the one that they get on with the best, or you will find, it's raining a little bit, hang on, I'm going to sit here in a little house to finish my video today. Right, so they will be recommending it to you because it's the best for them and because it's the best for their business, not necessarily because it's the best for your business. Or they might be recommending it to you because they're an accountancy practice that have chosen to move all of their clients all over to the same product because it's the product that they can provide the best service on, and it's the one that they know inside out and back to front. And that might not mean it's necessarily the best product for you. So you need to think first about what you are going to be using the package for. If you are going to be using the package for invoicing, then you need to be thinking about how frequently you need to invoice, how many invoices you need to raise, and whether they need to be product invoices, are they service invoices, are your invoices going to be raised by you yourself, or are you going to be handing that over to an administrator or to a bookkeeper? And all of these questions matter in which bookkeeping package you get, because they have different pricing plans, different levels, and different facilities. Is it that you're a sole trader, you're setting up a business, there's going to be money coming in and out of the bank account, and you just are needing to record your figures in order to do the tax return? Because that might be a different package that you recommend. My big recommendation with accounts packages, if you're raising invoices, chasing people for money, getting the payments in, getting expenses, get the person in your business who is going to be raising the invoices to raise them directly in your accounts package, whatever that is. Or it might be there is a bespoke system that is best for your particular business. I've helped healthcare places with booking systems that convert into invoices, and I've helped garages which have bespoke systems that cater for the MOTs and all the servicing and everything, in which case you want to look at the package that you're using and see which account package integrates with that. You will always, if you're starting out a new business, I would recommend getting a separate bank account for it and not running it out of your own bank account. But you will find the packages like QuickBooks and Xero that run online will work best if you have a dedicated bank account for your business and you can feed the transactions in via that. Are you going to be buying lots of stuff, having lots of expenses? Do you need to have expense systems in there? Or is it only really a very basic system? So bookkeeping packages I can recommend can start from free, helping you get a system in place that has a free package involved, which will probably mean a lot more maybe spreadsheets or sorting stuff out that way. But if you're well organised, then there's no problem with that. To a package that maybe will cost £5 a month. We can go right up to packages that cost £130, £140 a month because they have purchase order processing, sales order processing, products, they can do bills of materials and all of that kind of whizzy stuff. So it's not as simple a question of just asking me, what accounts package should I use? What you really want to do is have a conversation with somebody, maybe see who is actually going to be doing your bookkeeping and do they have experience of a package already? Have you got an idea of an accountant that you're going to use? But also bear in mind that you want to choose the package that's best for you, the way that you work and how you run your business. So if you would like to have a chat with me, just see if I can point you in the direction. My name's Alison Mead. You'll find me in LinkedIn. My business is Silicon Bullet. You can go to blog.siliconbullet.com, see all my other blog posts. And I think if you really are just starting out and you're looking for those basic considerations and what you need to consider and think about, then please do look for my Bookkeeping Basics podcast. It just has a few episodes, each of about 5 minutes long, that will just help trigger your brain and help you think about what you need to consider when you're first starting the bookkeeping for your own business. My biggest tip is, when you think about it and you haven't got it sorted out yet, keep pictures of anything that you spend money on. Snap it on your phone, keep it on your computer, save any emails or anyone emails an invoice to you and put those all in a file, and keep all these things filed nicely together, and rename your pictures and rename your PDFs with the name of the company, the date of the purchase and the amount that you spent. Then whoever is doing your bookkeeping later, whether it's you or someone else, you will have all the paperwork and all the evidence ready, because you may well be inspected by HMRC and you need to be able to show them receipts and things for what you've bought. And also make notes. Make notes on how you paid for something. One of the most difficult things I see with bigger companies, with lots of staff, is they're paying for stuff with a debit card, with a credit card. Staff are paying for stuff and then being reimbursed for it. And if you can't remember who paid for what, when it was paid, when the money came out of the account, because you've started but you've not started keeping records yet, then you are building yourself a huge problem for going back in the future. So whether you have a bookkeeping system in place or not, start saving things and keeping records now. So this is Alison Mead signing off from a rainy Southsea forest, sitting in a little hut. I'm going to walk my dog around to the cafe here, get myself a nice little hot chocolate, and then head on back home to get on with my working day. And I will speak to you soon. Bye.